Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to sensitive components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 and unplug it from the power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical interference during the extraction process. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the 8 Phillips screws on the bottom panel. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to carefully lift the back cover. Start from one corner and gently work your way around the edges. Be patient, as the clips can be a bit stubborn. If you find it difficult, you might want to consider our professional diagnosis without obligation, where experts can handle this for you. After successfully removing the back cover, locate the hard drive. It's typically secured by a bracket that you'll need to unscrew. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding this bracket in place. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as this will help during reassembly. With the bracket removed, gently slide the hard drive out of its connector. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as this could damage the SATA connector on the motherboard. If you're unsure about performing this step, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, providing a hassle-free experience. This way, you won't need to worry about no calls, no travel. We take care of everything. Once the hard drive is free, you might want to clean the inside of your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and other components. This not only improves airflow but also helps maintain the longevity of your device. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember that our services include a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After cleaning, if you plan to replace the hard drive or install a new one, slide the new hard drive into the same connector and secure it with the bracket using the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the hard drive. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the 8 screws to secure the back cover, and make sure everything is snug but not overly tight. Power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 to ensure the hard drive is detected correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer to have a professional handle your laptop, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide comprehensive support, ensuring your device is in the best hands possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.